Finally, a little bit of class and luxury here at the garage. It's today's What's in the Box. Hey everyone, and welcome to the garage for today's What's in the Box. We're taking a look at the Lexus LS460L kit from Fujimi models. Now, this tooling was released and issued in 2007 as a new tool, but it was done as the Lexus LS660L. I believe some of this tooling might be shared from the Lexus LS400 kit from Fujimi, but I'm not 100% sure. This variation, the LS460, was issued in 2009, and then after that, the last couple of years, they've reissued the 600HL with new various parts to update the model here. So with that, let's get to it and check it out. And getting started with the body. And getting started with the first of the parts tree. This will be the chassis suspension parts tree. Moving along to the interior parts tree. Start with the interior bucket. As you can see, for change, the front seat buckets are not molded into the floor, but if you really look, you can see how you're really going to have very, very short legs to sit in that front seat. Definitely going to want to move that seat back if you can, which will be a little bit challenging, but you know. And the next parts are out of this bag, which has the front seats, steering wheel, and some other interior bits and pieces. And some more suspension chassis pieces, as well as the brake rotors. Now taking a look at one of the body parts tree. You have front and rear bumpers, the lower rocker panel pieces, some rear bumper, lower trim piece or side or something, cowl, wipers, mirrors. Now turn our attention to the clear parts tree. Window piece unit with dual sunroofs. Actually, I only need one sunroof. Excuse me. And the molded in transparent red taillights and third brake light. And now we'll take a look at the tires, which are going to be a set of Bridgestone Potenza tires. And now we'll take a look at the wheels. Now we'll turn our attention to the decal sheet and window mask. You have your window masking for all your windows. Of course, it's Fujimi style, so you're going to have to cut them out yourself. No pre-cut window mask for you. And the decal sheet. So that is going to about do it for this look at the Lexus LS460L kit from Fujimi models. And of course, if you're going to be in need of some Lexus color match paint for this one, head over to Scalefinishes, and I'm pretty sure Jameson can get you hooked up, if that's your desire. So on that note, thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you next time.